Okay, so this is how we reassemble the trigger on a Black Decker DR250 drill. So here we have the trigger, which had been disassembled accidentally. This little piece, as you open it up, might pop off. That slides back onto here. Okay. And then in this section here, we have the spring that has a little section that it goes in there. And then this is the trigger. And this goes right there like that. Okay. This section here is going to go right on there like that. Okay, in the end. All right, so we put that on there. Once you compress that main inner spring along here, if you press this here, it'll actually all just stay in shape nice and easy, giving you easier access to work with all that smaller inner stuff. And now there's this tiny little weirdly shaped metal piece, and it's like, when I open it up, it's like, where the heck does that go? And I found that it best fits where this tiny little spring is right here. And that'll sort of go in like that. So it has a little bit of a spring loaded, and that's going to slide on these contact points right here. I mean, you could just replace this trigger, buy it for 20 bucks, but if you accidentally open it up and, would rather not spend the 20 bucks, it's probably best to try to fix it yourself before spending the money. And another good thing to note is that you can slide this section out, which once this is on here, will actually allow you to see right through here, through that back section, as you are getting this final little piece in there. Let's see if I could slide that. So it was actually much easier to work with this sort of in an upside down way, dropping sort of the main part onto the secondary part. I got it first try, and then just slide this little thing back in. And while you have it open, it wouldn't be a bad idea to just, grab the grease and then sort of re-grease all of this stuff. There's just a ton of stuff that got off of it, and just fast spinning pieces, it flies off after a long time. So you could do this with a Q-tip if you don't want to get your hands dirty as well.